Shanae, how are
Do you
you?
remember the time, like I said, you tucked your dick between your butt cheeks? Do you remember that? Oh, you don't remember that, but you remember it, right?
How was your day today?
Nah, fuck all that, bitch. How your day about to go?
My day was actually pretty nice. So, where's Verlina?
Where your mama?
Where your daddy?
Where your daddy?
You know what's funny? I actually just saw a video not too long ago of your mom playing drums. I never knew she could play drums.
That wasn't even my mama.
That was your mother. You didn't even have...
That was a video of my mama.
That was your mother. You didn't even have...
That was a video of my mama.
Exactly. I don't even know why you just lied right there. It was.
Somewhere where you need to be, because as soon as you walk in that church, you gonna burn the hell. So how's the family? Where's your kids? Where's your wife? I thought you had all that.
Why are you concerned about them?
Don't choke now, bitch.
See, this is what I'm saying. You could be a comedian. You could be a comedian. You could be a comedian. I'm serious. You're funny.
I probably already am.
Where's Isaac? That's the question I've been asking for a minute. Where's Isaac?
Fuck all that. So what you and Christian have beef for before after all this? You know what? I just want to know, did you get the sex change?
Is Christian with you? I would love to speak to her.
Girl, he about to look. I don't talk to people who I can't see. Like I told Sandra, I don't have time for that shit.
Who?
I'm from up on motherfuckers. I don't play games.
You don't play games.
Anybody that comes sideways gonna get their ass knocked out.
You sure about that?